Hi, it's Sam here from Teacher Sam. In this video, I'm going to show you what the behavior wheel is. I'm going to show you a few examples, and also if you haven't got a printer, I'm going to show you how to create your own template. So, as you can see, it's very similar to a star chart or maybe a behavior chart that you stick on the wall in the classroom. But this is an actual physical rotating wheel. And we can give a reward for great work. They just colour the star, then they can rotate the wheel. If they've been tidy, they can colour another star. We have attitude as well, and we have working with others. As you can see on this template, the top wheel is blank. So you can customize this as well. Maybe my star wheel, for example. Also, here is another template, which is a blank template where you can create your own maybe stars, or you can write words here such as working hard, being on time, or maybe speaking English could be a reward as well. So if this is something that you want to download, you can. There's a free template available. Just click the link in the description of this video. Okay, so this one I have here is the card version that I made. With this version, you can colour. You can colour the stars using crayons or felt tip pens and so forth. Now, you can create a laminated version, which is here. The problem with the laminated version is that you're unable to colour. So you have to use a permanent pen, and you can draw the stars and you can colour the stars using the pen. Now I recommend, rather than the pen, using stars. These are stickers, or maybe novelty stickers, or maybe some blank round stickers, which I'm going to use as faces. So you can see here I have a smiley face, a cloud, and a star. So that's what I'm going to do to reward my students. Now, if you haven't got a laminator, or you prefer to have it on card, you can print it on card if you wish. Now, my printer, I'm not able to print directly onto card. So what I did is I got some card, I printed my template, and what I did is I stuck the template on the card. Then I cut around the template, and then to have something like this version. I like this version because I'm able to colour it myself, but the laminated version is great because the students do like sticking. I think it's more engaging, but I mean, whatever way you feel the best way for you. With the laminated version, it's definitely more durable than the card version. Now, if you haven't got a printer, I'm going to show you now how to make your own template. Now, before we use the card, the best thing to do is use some scrap paper for your template. So I'm going to use this A4 piece of paper. Now, in the free template, you do get the dimensions of the bottom wheel and the top wheel. So in this case, it's 9.5 centimeters. The top wheel is about 7.5. Okay, so now we have those dimensions. All we need is a compass. Let's measure the bottom wheel. We have 9.5 centimeters. Cool. So let's draw the wheel, the bottom wheel. Then you cut this out. This is your template basically. Cut that out. So then you have obviously something like this. The next one, we have 7.5 centimeters to do now for the smaller wheel. There you go. Now what we need to do now, we need to put a point of where the center is in here. So where's the center again? There it is. So this is the center. And what we do now is we need to draw a line here. And then a line like this. More or less, this is going to be 90 degrees. If you have a protractor, then you can do it, but it doesn't have to be perfect. It's fine. And what you do is you just cut this out. This is not necessary. So you cut here, down here, and cut here. So obviously it looks something like this. Be careful actually. You need to put a little semicircle here because this is your point of where you have to use the pin. Like that. It's just something like this. There we go. So there you go. You cut here. So then you have these two pieces. Good. Now this is your template. When you want to use your card, then you can actually, now you can draw around the card like that. And then you can cut the card out, draw around the card here, cut this out as well, and there you go. Then you have the card version, and then you have your own template. Perfect. Excellent. So I hope this has helped you. Any questions about the template or how to create it, please leave a comment below. I do have other wheels available as a free download, free template. I have the grammar wheel, which is a free template, and also the irregular verb wheel. So check out those videos. I will leave the links in the description of the video and also as a little pop-up in the top of the video here. One little thing, if you are working online, then obviously you can't really be using these physical wheels. One website I do recommend is called CLASSDOJO, where you assign students a little monster and you can give these monsters points. So that's how I motivate my students online. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you want to see more content like this, please subscribe and give this video a like. Thank you very much, and thank you for watching.